Here's some strange recommendation to eat with your mouth open. Apparently, this makes food taste better. I don't think. Also, that's a weird image. He is chewing on
Cotton candy.
but it's hard to figure it out unless you read the subtext under the photo. A man enjoying candy floss to the full. Photograph, Tom Werner, Getty Images. It's like, wow. Somebody searched that up specifically, cotton candy. So yeah, this is obviously frowned upon from an etiquette perspective, but research from the University of Oxford has revealed that chewing your food with your mouth open can help release volatile organic compounds. It's kind of like swishing wine around in a glass before you drink it. I guess you're getting more air into there. It's getting up into the nose and so forth. The research revealed that opening your mouth can help aromatic compounds reach the back of your nose, in turn boosting your olfactory sensory neurons, which makes food taste better. It doesn't, you know why it doesn't matter, Will? Because if we're sitting there and we're all like, oh, I'm boosting my olfactory sensory neurons, we're also going to be so disgusted looking into the chewed up portions of food in each other's mouths that it's not going to, the olfactory thing's not going to click. Because we're going to be like, you know what, let's go back to the old way.
It's not very appetizing.
Exactly. I'm like, well, maybe it tastes marginally better, but it's all, none of it matters considering what I have to stare at now. I'll take the subtler flavor alongside the etiquette, but it does make you wonder how these things come to be, how people decide what is and isn't acceptable.
I also think that closing your mouth would probably keep the food in.
Well, physically.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, there's going to be less things falling out here.
Flinging it around, yeah.
Flinging around. I don't know, whatever else goes with that. The saliva going everywhere and the monkeypox or whatever else.
Yeah,
I'm just saying, like, I don't know. There's got to be some downside. It's a weird article. It's making the case for it in a kind of funny way, knowing that nobody would ever actually do it. But maybe if you were one of these food testers, if you were one of these high-level connoisseurs, maybe you know some of these techniques to increase and enhance flavors. Maybe you eat by yourself anyway.
Yeah.
Because you need to focus.